This is the Diamond Street Blockwatch birthday party for Miss Dearborn. Happy birthday to you. Sing out, Louise. Alicia, happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow out the candles.
Who's going to volunteer to cut the cake?
I will.
Axel's going to cut the cake? Because he's the oldest?
Yeah. You guys have cake. Kaylana said she'd cut the cake, Tony.
Kaylana! You have to get an implement of mass destruction from somebody.
Do you have a knife? Yeah.
Kurt, Kurt, where's that knife?
Oh, I got it.
You got it?
We'll get it. We'll get a knife. Kaylana will get it.